को टेम्ब्रिज दिया दिल से उसको।
Distinguished dignitaries, enthusiastic RSCs, energetic principals, dynamic PD and PDs, respected teachers, parents and media friends of 204 minority residential schools of Telangana, a very good morning to one and all present here today. We are all thrilled to participate in this much awaited annual event that is going to fill everyone of our course winning spirit. I, Akash Ashmi, of 10th grade student of TMRS Salibate Boys 1.
And I, Aisha Firdaus, MPC second year student of TMRS JC Warangal Girls 1.
I am Nata Kishore, 10th grade student of Cambridge College.
And I, Sana Fatima, MPC second year student of TMRS JC Warangal Girls 1, will be your host today. Let's host this magnificent event and show the world that we, the Telangans, are full of enthusiasm and ready to turn this world upside down. We stand here to showcase our tip-to-toe energy to everybody. On behalf of the hosting district, the erstwhile district of Warangal, I thank our Solidity Sir.
Perform American decathlete and Olympic gold medalist.
He said, the spirit of sports gives each of us who participate an opportunity to be creative. Sports, whether sex, age, race or religion.
Shafiullah Sir, the Secretary of Tamriz, on behalf of all the regional level coordinators, principals, teaching and non-teaching staff and students of Tamriz, it's our own proud privilege to roll out the red carpet to our chief guest for the
Of this gathering. It's a great pleasure for all of us to have such a great personality amidst us.
अजीब होते हैं ये इंतजार के लम्हे, अजीब होते हैं बजाय सीनों के आंखों में दिल धड़कते हैं। वो आए घर में हमारे खुदा की कुदरत है, कभी हम उनको तो कभी अपने घर को देखते हैं। Afrin of Warangal Girls 1 to honor our Secretary Sir and welcome him with a bouquet of love from all the students of Tamriz.
Continue, very good.
Ashwinda of Warangal Girls to honor our special guest Liaquat Sir, our joint secretary, with a bouquet.
Clap, clap.
Now I request Sri of Hanamkonda Girls 1 to offer the bouquet to Dilawar Sir, Additional Secretary of Tamriz.
Girls 1 to offer the bouquet to Krishna Kumar sir.
Request any one of you to give a bouquet to Asifuddin Sir, Executive Engineer Building Tamriz. Now I request any one of you to give a bouquet of love to Gauss Moinuddin Sir, Sea Vigilance of TMRS. Now I request any one of you to offer the bouquet to DMW Sir of Hanamkonda.
हैदराबाद किधर है?
With the hosting of the flags, our district officials and dignitaries of the head office as they proceed to host the flag.
I request
Now I humbly request
basic.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा।
कंटिन्यू रोल ऑल।
जिस दिन से चला हूँ मेरी मंजिल पे नजर है, जिस दिन से चला हूँ मेरी मंजिल पे नजर है, आंखों ने कभी मील का
थैंक
पत्थर
यू
नहीं
वेरी मच
देखा।
सर, थैंक यू सर।
सितारे तोड़कर रुक जाऊं ये मुमकिन नहीं मुझसे, रुक जाऊं ये मुमकिन नहीं मुझसे, मेरे पाए तलब को आसमां पर जाना है। So
All the
let's
contingents.
embarrass the spectacle with the
Attention.
cheers.
Flag bearers, lift
Here
up.
on the
Flag
marching
bearers,
track
hold.
we have the first.
Marching, Adilabad girls. Now forward, band.
March first is all about synchronization and teamwork.
Salutation.
Commands,
Salute
alertness,
properly.
and an unspoken
Hey, girls,
coordination.
flag girls, slow.
The next team on
Flag girls,
track
go
is
slow.
Hyderabad.
Flag girls, slow.
The next team of girls followed by
Contingent,
the
walk
team
with
of
the
boys.
contingent. Go.
Wow, what a beautiful synchronization of the team. Look at the impeccable discipline and harmony. Wow, what energetic performance. What a coordination. Superb. We are really proud to be a Tamarician.
Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. What a coordination. Keep it up, boys and girls.
अभी हमारे पास तो देखो।
Let us now have the team of Karimnagar on the marching track. Karimnagar girls and boys marching in unison towards the dais.
नेक्स्ट आ जाओ। ये हैदराबाद से।
No gap, no
Look at the
gap.
wonderful
All of
energy
you,
of
cover
our
up.
students.
Contingents.
What a
After
coordination.
Hyderabad, Karimnagar gap రావద్దు. Hyderabad continue చెప్పండి. Karimnagar no gap. Join with us. Hyderabad only.
Our rear soldiers are moving.
ए साइड से हटा।
What a energy. Keep it up, girls. Keep it up.
Hey, get.
ना
Hey, ఇట్లా No clashing. Come this side.
Indeed, it is a beautiful portrayal of discipline, unity, harmony, and grit. Now, marching towards the dais with poise and power, let us welcome to the next team, the Hyderabad girls and boys.
Come on. Join with them. Go side. Okay, beta. ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళి తీసుకోపోరా.
Look at the charisma that every march
Yeah,
exudes. It truly gives
Adilabad,
a sense
Adilabad,
of
come join.
discipline and
Adilabad, come on.
determination. Determined
Saber,
of
Adilabad,
youth,
this one,
the
Adilabad,
next team
inspection.
marching towards the dais of Mehboob Nagar.
Adilabad team.
किधर भी देखो।
Saber, Adilabad. లోపలికి వెళ్ళి తీసుకో, బయటికి పోవద్దు.
The
కమండి,
next
అక్కడ
team on the
ఆపేసి,
track
అక్కడ
is
ఆపేసి.
Khammam.
शूज जैसे।
Yes, a determined mind and a strong will bear endless possibilities. Winners are ordinary. People with extraordinary determination. The team next on track is
Left,
Karimnagar.
right, left, right, left. All of you do properly match pass.
Superb.
Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. కరీంనగర్ మంచిగా చేయండి అన్న, స్మార్ట్ గా. లెఫ్ట్, రైట్, లెఫ్ట్. Come on, very good, come on.
Luckily, the weather is on
Six
our
lines,
side
six
today,
lines,
cheering up
six
at the
lines.
sky on this bright sunny day. The sun and I are pleased to welcome the next team on march track. Come
Come
on.
on, boys, right.
Wow, what a coordination.
लहरों से डर कर नौका पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डर कर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो। क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक ना सफल हो नींद और चैन को त्यागो तुम। संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್
March past back and come on. Do smartly. Swing your arms. Swing your arms.
Superb girls.
Look towards secretary sir. Look towards secretary sir.
Superb boys. What a coordination.
Come on.
सुनहरा है तेलंगाना, देश की धड़कन तेलंगाना। जिसने हमको टेमरीज दिया, दिल से उसको चाहेंगे।
Look at the charisma that every march exudes. It's truly giving a sense of discipline and determination. Determined on
slow
their
beta,
path,
slow beta.
the next
Relax,
team
slow,
marching towards the dais is team of Mehboob Nagar.
सब एक गगन के मत वाले, सब एक ही जमीन के पाले हैं। सब एक गगन के मत वाले, सब एक ही जमीन के पाले। सब एक ही सूरज की किरणें, सब एक ही चांद के हाले हैं। वो उत्तर हो या दक्षिण हो, सदरंग धनक तो एक सी है। वो उत्तर हो या दक्षिण हो, सदरंग धनक तो एक सी है। वह पूरब हो या पश्चिम हो, फूलों की महक तो एक सी है।
Don't maintain gap. Medak district boys and girls.
Nice coordination. Keep going, boys.
What else अगर बेटे?
What a spirit, what a energy.
Smart, very good. Come on. Medak district boys, do smartly
The
बेटा.
next team on track is Medak girls, followed by Medak boys.
Very good. Good salutation. Medak girls. Leader. Left, right, left. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Very good, Medak. Maintaining good. Beautiful march pass. Medak district girls.
Superb coordination. What energetic performance. Now the boys are coming off Medak. Wow, see this, see the coordination, see the seriousness. Excellent. Energetic performance. Keep it up, boys.
The aura of boys is very energetic.
Loss of the contingent. The PTs, total PTs are participating. Each district, Medak district, PTs are marching. Very good PTs. Left, right, left, left,
Each
right,
day turns
left.
into a fascinating
Left,
magical
right,
day
left.
when you approach it with a positive attitude filled with positive and optimism. The next team marching on the track is Nalgonda girls followed by boys. Keep it up, girls.
Very good, guys. Very good, Nalgonda. Left, right, left, left.
आबे रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नजर आती उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में. नहीं तेरा नशेमा कासरे सुल्तानी के गुम्बद पर, नहीं तेरा नशेमा कासरे सुल्तानी के गुम्बद पर, तू शाही है बसेरा पहाड़ों के चट. 23. He is also selected for Khelo India. MD Irfan, national player, handball, Warangal.
And rolling going to be. Busy going to be. Continue clap it up.
The torch relay. The torch relay is now passed to J. Logan.
బ్యాండ్ రోలింగ్ మ్యూజిక్ కొట్టమని చెప్పాను.
इधर लगाते हैं ना इधर
सुनहरा है तेलंगाना, देश की धड़कन तेलंगाना, जिसने हमको टेमरीज दिया, दिल से उसको चाहेंगे. टेमरीज के हम तलबा है, टेमरीज हमारा मस्कन है, हम इल्म के हैं शायदाई.
హలో
और जाते हैं
Hello. And the next is oath taking.
कार देखिए हाँ
ఆల్ ద ఫార్వర్డ్. నిజామాబాద్ is నిజామాబాద్. No shouting, stop. All of your attention. Take your position, oath position, oblique, right oblique, up, and right hand up. Oath position. Oblique, पैके आने वाला चेलू.
सीधा रखो
ऊपर, उतना ऊपर नहीं, 45 degrees बेटा. 45 degrees angle. All flags down, dip.
Oath. We swear that we will take part in Temri Society second state level Games and Sports Meet 2023 with loyal competitions and respecting the rules and regulations which govern them and desire of participating in them. The true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our society and for the glory of sports. Jai Hind.
I now request
Flags
our
48
beloved
places.
madam, you are cordially invited to the stage.
All the children, standard is sit down, no, without noise, sit down.
Please give a big round of applause.
And in the month of October, we have conducted district level sports meets very successfully in two host institutions, that is TMRSJC Warangal Boys 1 and TMRSJC Warangal Girls 2 sports, because a healthy is mind in a healthy body. If body is fit, they can do so many wonders. Thank you, sir. And we have Warangal district has produced so many national and international players, and that is because of guidance of our sports officer Someshwar sir, and my heartful thanks to Someshwar sir and all the PTs from all the districts for your constant hard work, dedication, motivation. Because of you, our children are winning so many prizes in national and international games, and we have selected PTs who are very dedicated, sincere, honest, and they are very much sincere towards their duties. And our PTs also, they are excellent in some national and national sports. And for this event, we have arranged various committees. Accommodation is provided in 7 institutions, sir. TMR.
And sir, we are very lucky to have this type of accommodation and playgrounds and everything, sir. We arranged our level base within 2 days, sir, as the permission is denied by the election commission, is told. But we did our, if anything goes wrong, please excuse, sir. We tried our level best to accommodate all the students, sir, and we are lucky, and we have to have the secretary like you, and the dynamic secretary should be for the Timris in future also. We are not expecting any secretary to Timris, and always on behalf of Warangal team Boys 1, we are very thankful to sir for giving the host. I think the facilities are good, and if there is anything, we'll rectify within 1-2 days, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving this such wonderful water.
Boys, big rounds of applause.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech. जरा ठहरो, हमें भी साथ ले लो काफिले वालों. जरा ठहरो, हमें भी साथ ले लो काफिले वालों. ना पहचानी गई तुमसे अगर मंजिल तो क्या होगा. I would like to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our Liaquat sir to give a beautiful words.
Respected Secretary sir and my dear colleagues, ये स्पोर्ट्स इनाग्रेशन के जैसा तो नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को. इतनी खामोशी नहीं होना. थैंक यू. जब से आपके कोलीग्स जो मेरे डियर स्टूडेंट्स शायरी सुना रहे थे, बड़ा पसंद हुआ, बड़ी खुशी हुई. हमको खेल कूदने नहीं देते थे. We are not aware of the sports and games during our childhood. जबकि कहावत थी, लिखोगे पढ़ोगे तो बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो हो जाओगे खराब. But nowadays it has to be changed. लिखोगे पढ़ोगे बेशक बनोगे नवाब, उसके साथ खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे नवाबों के नवाब. ऑनरेबल सेक्रेटरी सर, एक मेरे जैसे आदमी को स्पोर्ट्स फंक्शन को चीफ गेस्ट बुलाए, उसको स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं मालूम, जैसा कि मेरे को भी नहीं मालूम. फाइनल इवेंट चल रहा था फुटबॉल का, पूरा गेम चीफ गेस्ट देखा. उसके बाद अपने स्पीच में बोलने लगा, అంతా బాగుంది భాయ్, ఈ ఒక్క బాల్ గురించి ఇంతమంది కొట్టుకోవడం బాలేదు, పెద్దవాళ్ళతో ఎవరి బాల్ వాళ్ళు కొట్టుకోండి అని. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. ఓకే, ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్, గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ.
Thank you, sir, for your उकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नजर आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में.
Now I cordially invite our guest Dilawar sir, Additional Secretary.
Is a national NCC cadet, NCC represented at New Delhi as a NCC cadet. All of you give him a big applause. Respected. It is a very happy occasion. Actually, I belong to Warangal district. I studied most of the primary education in this district only. I studied in Markaji school up to high school. So, after a long time, it is a great pleasure for me to attend this program in Warangal. I worked in Warangal also.
Create a video of your talents and share it via WhatsApp on 9700491819. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.